Welcome, today I'm showing you how to unblock phone number into Vivo Y76 5G. Firstly, open your phone application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into block numbers option. And now we got 2 block numbers, so for unlocking, for example, this last one number, click here on the right side to cross to unblock. And here we got message, unblock this number. You can confirm tapping unblock or cancel. So tapping unblock and we got success message. So maybe let's try again this number and click here on the right side. And confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.